Hey, Rob here for Quadratec with the giveaway Jeep back in the shop for some more upgrades today. Before we dive into those, if you haven't already gotten yourself entered a chance to win this Jeep, don't miss out. We're down to less than a month to go until the giveaway period ends on September 15th. Now you can click that info button or the link in the description below to head over to quadratec.com to get yourself entered. There's two ways to enter. You can manually fill out that entry form once per week, or if you make a purchase, you'll be automatically entered again up to once per week. Now, since I've had the Jeep in the shop last, you may have seen on our YouTube shorts or other social media that I went ahead and installed a set of Quadratec brute strength aluminum side steps. Not only are they going to make getting in and out of the Jeep a bit easier, but add some vital rocker protection for this Wrangler as well. Now, I've also gone ahead and installed a Quadratec brute strength aluminum full width front bumper on the front end of this Jeep to add some additional protection and improve things like our approach angle and trail clearance. Of course, that bumper combines a heavy-duty steel skeleton and winch cradle with a lightweight outer aluminum bumper skin that not only looks great, but helps shave off some weight of the front end of your Jeep. Of course, that bumper incorporates your factory fog lights and gives you plenty of other light mounting options with that grille guard. And I'm going to be installing a Quadratec Stealth Series winch up there to go along with it. Now, here on the back of the Jeep, I've got a Quadratec brute strength aluminum rear bumper to match the front, and just like that front bumper, this bumper has been designed with some serious weight savings in mind. In fact, the full bumper comes in weighing under 50 pounds. We've got those heavy-duty steel mounting brackets and recovery points combined with that lightweight aluminum bumper skin. Of course, it's been designed to work with your 2-inch factory receiver, and as you can see, we've got a nice wide area here in the bumper to accommodate an oversized spare tire on the back of your Jeep. Which brings me to the project we have at hand today, getting our big Patagonia MT 37-1250 spare mounted back here on our tailgate. Now, before we do that, I've got a Quadratec spare tire relocation kit that we're going to be installing to go with that factory spare tire bracket. And it's going to move that bracket, that carrier, up and back just slightly to make room for that oversized spare. Now, we've already got a full step-by-step how to install video for the Quadratec spare tire relocation kit. You can watch that by clicking the info button. So after we have this installed, we're also going to be installing a set of MORryde heavy-duty tailgate hinges to help carry all that additional weight on our tailgate. So why don't we go ahead and dive right in. The first thing we need to do is to get that factory hardware removed so that we can set the spare tire carrier aside. Then we need to trim those rear air vents slightly, at which point we can go ahead and get our Quadratec spare tire relocation kit mounted to the tailgate. Once that's installed, we can reinstall the factory spare tire carrier by bolting that to the relocation kit. Now we're ready to go ahead and start installing our new MORryde heavy-duty tailgate hinges. Before you begin your install, if you've got a soft top equipped Wrangler like this one, go ahead and remove your rear windows. With a hard top equipped Wrangler, you want to make sure that rear lift glass stays open the entire time during your install. Also, even if you're not installing a spare tire relocation kit or other heavy-duty spare tire carrier along with your new hinges, you will need to remove your spare tire from the tailgate before you begin your install. Now, we're going to be completing this job one hinge at a time, and by doing so, we're not going to have to worry about accidentally misaligning that tailgate while we're completing this install. It's going to make the job go really smoothly. Start by using a nylon panel tool and remove the interior plastics. By doing so, it's going to give us access to the bolts holding the hinge inside of the body. We need to peel back the plastic over the access holes, and then we can go ahead and close our tailgate. Grab yourself a T55 Torx bit and remove the 2 factory bolts holding the hinge to the tailgate. Once you have those removed, without opening your tailgate, lean over and remove the 3 factory bolts securing the hinge inside of the body tub. All right, with that factory hinge removed from our Wrangler's tailgate, we can quickly compare it to one of the new heavy-duty tailgate hinges before we install one of the new ones. While Mopar is using pretty heavy-duty material and hardware here, you can see that this hinge is totally sealed and non-serviceable. So over time, there's going to be some wear in this hinge, and As we get dirt and debris building up in there, it's going to get tougher to open and close that tailgate. Nice thing with the MORryde heavy duty tailgate hinges, you can see here we've got a bronze bushing in there that's greasable and serviceable. We can remove this bolt and totally rebuild this joint if we should ever need to in the future. Now to get this installed, we'll start by slipping it right back in where we just removed that factory hinge. Secure it back in place with that factory hardware on the inside of the body tub. You can just start each one of those bolts to keep the hinge in place. And then we can fold the hinge over and secure it to the tailgate with the new provided hardware. Once you have all the hardware loosely installed, go back and tighten everything down. Now all we have to do is go ahead and repeat those same steps to get the bottom hinge installed. With our new Quadratec spare tire relocation kit, those MORryde heavy-duty tailgate hinges, and the Quadratec brute strength aluminum rear bumper, our giveaway Jeep is finally set up to confidently carry its matching 37-1250 Patagonia MT spare back here on the tailgate without fear of any rattling, vibration, or clearance and fitment issues. Now, if you guys want to get more information about any of the products I installed today, you can click the info button, head over to quadratec.com. Of course, don't miss out on getting yourself entered at a chance to win this Jeep. We've got just a few short weeks left in the entry period. You can get automatically entered by making a purchase up to once per week or manually fill out that entry form over at quadratec.com. Of course, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon, so be sure to catch all of our latest content. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.